In this video, we will be solving the following exercise about quadratic equations. Plot the curve y equal x squared plus 2 in the range of x is greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to 3. So, as usual, the top row of the table contains our ranges, and in the first column we have the variables. Now, when x is equal to minus 3, it's going to be 9. When it's equal to minus 2, it's going to be 4. And it's going to be 1, 0, 1, 4, and 9 respectively. And of course, 2 is going to stay the same since it doesn't depend on every variable. Now, y is the sum. 4 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 2 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 9 plus 2 is 11. Now, after that we already have the values of x and y, let's point out the points. Minus 3 and 11, minus 2 and 6, minus 1 and 3, 0 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 6, and of course 3 and 11. Now that we have these sets of 6 points, we can go ahead and plot them on this graph. Let's start with the first point. X is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 11. So let's go to minus 3 and then we go up to 11. For the second point, minus 2 and 6, we go from minus 2 to 6, and then minus 1 and 3 again. For the fourth point, we have 0 and 2, so it's going to stay. And then we have 1 and 3, and after that we have 2 and 6, and finally we have 3 and 11. Now we connect the 7 dots to form our parabola. After connecting them, we can see that they are forming a U shape, and that would be the curve for this equation.